So learning it is kind of hard if you've never done it. There is a lot of commands and it gets confusing from time to time. Kind of feel like this, you know there's the command, but you don't remember the order and you're thinking, is there a better way to learn Git or to refresh my Git skills? Well, there is. In the GitHub skills page, you can start fresh with Git if you haven't used Git, or better said, GitHub, not Git, GitHub. Um, you can start fresh to learn how to use it, where you need to write the code, how to make pull requests, how to resolve merge conflicts, and it even gets into more complex scenarios like GitHub Actions, deploying to Azure, and security. But you might ask, is it hard to start with it? Is it hard to install it? Well, actually, not. You just need to select. So you have one prerequisite. You need a GitHub account. Once you have that, you just need to select the lesson that you want. And here you have the necessary information and you just click Start Course. Now, you'll need to add um, a new repository. You can either leave the defaults here or say, okay, here GitHub Actions. Now you're going to create a repository. And once the repository is created, you get tasks to do. You complete the tasks. Now here it might seem that it's not done. However, it did create a repository right now, but you need to leave it a couple of seconds for the GitHub actions, which I'm going to have a look at right here to take effect. So just wait a little bit and just refresh it. So once you refreshed it after 20 plus seconds, you start with your task. So you have steps to follow. And each activity, there's a couple of activities for each course. And each activities you start with either some code base or an empty repository, and you need to follow and complete the activities. Once you have that, there are GitHub actions which will guide you to the rest of your process. And once you are done, you can just see, okay, you've reached the finish and what you've learned. Now, I tried this for the first one just to see how the flow is going, how easy it is to use, and I can tell you it's pretty easy to use. Even if you haven't used Git or GitHub, even if you do not know what a branch, what a commit is, what a pull request is, what's a conflict, you will get explanations for everything in this courses. They're easy to do, easy to follow, and if you get stuck, just write in the comments and I'll gladly help you. As always, thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to rest, then test, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one and bye bye.